If you're looking for some books to read, then we have got you sorted. We have got 4 book recommendations for you to read, and let's see what they are. The first book that we recommend is A Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry.
The story follows a young prince who visits various planets in space, including Earth, and addresses themes of loneliness, friendship, love, and loss. Despite its style as a children's book, it is sure to keep you captivated, and we highly recommend this for beginners who have just started reading.
The second book that we recommend is Animal Farm by the author George Orwell.
This book is also an option for beginners to start their reading journey from. It talks about a group of animals who rebel against the farmer, expecting an equal, free, and happy life, with a theme stating that every ordinary individual should continuously believe in a revolution.
The third book that we recommend is Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank.
Based on a true story, this book is about a teenage Jewish girl named Anne Frank, who kept a diary while her family was hiding from the Nazis during the World War II. She wrote about her daily struggles, experiences, secrets, and much more in her diary.
The final book that we recommend is Atomic Habits by James Clear.
This book basically talks about 4 principles and is the definitive guide to breaking bad behaviors and adopting good ones in those 4 simple steps. It shows you how small increments in daily life routines compound into massive positive change over time.
We hope that these book recommendations would help you come out of the dilemma as to which book to read. Thank you. Happy reading.